compete in the games.
Let me say this
What's that?
about the polar plunge. And usually, you're from Chicago, I'm from Pittsburgh, Northeast cities. They usually do it New Year's Day in those cities. The water would be a lot colder than
Yeah, you're
Beaver
breaking
Lake.
through ice to get there. So they had a break weather-wise in the atmosphere, but I'm sure the water was pretty
Yeah,
chilly.
not taking away from anything, but there are some parts of the country where it hurts a lot more.
That's a true polar.
Yes, exactly. But we won't have to worry about ice on Beaver Lake anytime soon because it's going to be pretty comfortable the next couple of days. Just like it was in Fayetteville today, as things are nice and quiet. We were above average, 52. Got it by a degree. We were above average. Now, 6 years ago today, we were in the broiler. 80 degrees it got to in Fayetteville, even hotter in Fort Smith. As we take a look over Interstate 540 here, it was 85 on this day 6 years ago. That is hot. That's not warm. For February, that is roasting. But in 1899, we were 8 below zero. A little more fitting for February, I think. 53 for our high today. There's that storm system that brought all that rain to the area, especially south and east of Fort Smith, and snow to the higher elevations. Quite a bit of snow, as Darby was showing everybody last night atop Kavanaugh Hill. Really impressive snow and riming last night. Temperatures right now, certainly cold enough for a little bit of snow if we have precipitation. We've dipped into the 30s pretty quickly thanks to those clear skies. A lot of radiational cooling taking place at this time. 30s and lower 40s in the River Valley. Now tonight will be nice and quiet. Waking up tomorrow morning, if you've got to run back to the grocery store, get some last minute snacks for your Super Bowl party, shouldn't have any problems. High clouds will increase throughout the day, but really not enough to really block out most of the sun. 10 o'clock tomorrow night, we're still pretty mild into the 40s, and then waking up Monday morning, not too bad in the 30s. Where it is rough is in the Pacific Ocean, which I'll show you here in a second after I show you the severe weather outlook for next Wednesday. SPC saying south and east of Fort Smith, a pretty good shot at severe weather. Now, historically, severe weather is rare in our area in February. Usually these shift to the east with time. We'll see if that actually happens. There is severe tropical cyclone Freddie. Category 4 storm. Remember, southern hemisphere, it is the summer down there. This is a real deal storm. Thankfully not going to impact land. This is the coast of Australia just behind me for reference. Active Indian Ocean for this time of the year. We'll be in the 30s and upper 20s tonight. Rebound quite nicely tomorrow, back into the upper 50s and lower 60s, well above average for this time of the year. Then there was those rain chances moved back in here. Monday night, early Tuesday. I think Tuesday night will be dry for those Valentine's Day plans. Most of Wednesday should be dry, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, we watch for the chances for showers and thunderstorms. There could be some strong, maybe a severe storm or so. We'll certainly keep our eye on that. You're going to want to check back with us for updates to that, but there's still impact days Tuesday and Wednesday regardless. And then after that front crosses, we cool down as we get toward the second half of next week. You know what cooled down today? The Hogs offense in a tough game against the Bulldogs. Meredith Mulkey will be in studio after the break to break down the deets.